Alright, so today we have a Gage Master comparator. This is a benchtop model. This one is equipped with a nice cabinet that comes with it. Included is, of course, the Gage Master digital readout. You have your scales for your Y and X. This is the X-axis, the longitudinal, and your Y-axis is the vertical. And then you reset this. Of course, it has a 10x lens. It also has surface illumination. That's these little fiber optic lights here that allow you to see the actual surface of the part you're looking at, the texture or the finish. You've got your manual control here. You've got to rotate your screen. If you had a chart on there, screen chart, and you've got your readout here for your minutes and seconds. Of course, it's plugged in the wall, 110 voltage, 120 voltage. This is a Series 20 model, but it is, again, a 14-inch display area on the screen. So, thank you very much.